January, January means January. February, February means February. March, March means March. April, April means April. May means May. June means June. July means July. August, August means August. September, September means September. October means October. November means November. December means December.